Assalamualaikum guys, hope you are doing good. This is our second trip to Expo 2020. The management of Expo 2020 is really good and appreciable. They have managed a full system in a systematic way. Police, security system, cleaning system, guiding system, everything is superb. We park our car at mobility parking, so from here free shuttle buses drop people at main entrance of mobility district. We explored 8 pavilions in our last visit, including Pakistan, Iran, Ukraine, France, Thailand, Belgium, Lebanon, and Vietnam. Now it's time to explore more, so let's go! There you can interact with robots from leading robotic specialist Taminus Group, which will perform a variety of tasks from greeting visitors to helping with food and beverages delivery. You have two options, either you can buy tickets online or either you can buy at the store. So I have already bought it through online. So first of all, at first entrance you have to show how many tickets and how many peoples you have, and it's compulsory to show green pass and vaccination pass. And at the second entrance, they will scan your ticket and let you go inside. Their security system is very tight, so they scan your all equipments. Close to Expo 2020 water feature, standing tall in Jubilee Park, the Garden in the Sky is a rotating observation tower that lifts visitors 55 meters above Expo for a beautiful panoramic view. With a capacity of 48 people per trip, visitors take a journey to the clouds for about 5 minutes at dirham 30 per head. The Garden in the Sky earns its name with its luscious green tree-lined upper deck. The vistas offered at the observation tower are best experienced at night, whereas the morning view of the massive expo site is equally majestic. Our second stop is Hungary Pavilion, located in the Jubilee area, which is set up under the theme Aqua Route of Hungary. The pavilion is the first wooden structure in the Gulf region and was constructed without using a single drop of water, in line with the Expo's theme of sustainability.
vegetable, just move your head in front of it, don't touch it.
The Republic of Korea Pavilion is located within the Mobility District at Expo 2020, shaped somewhat like a triangular fort with spinning cubes decorating its slanted walls.
You can take a selfie to create a profile, or you can choose to create an ambassador as your partner tour guide. There we go, and let's start our journey.
A device with an avatar will be your tour guide for the space where you can take photos with special frames. The pavilion is made up of three colors, red, yellow and blue, to symbolize balance and direction in South Korea. This pavilion presents a vertical cinema in an indoor theatre with large bean bags where visitors can enjoy an immersive virtual experience of South Korea. There is a large amphitheatre, or what Korean would call a madang, which is an open space used for social gathering and family interactions. Now we are heading towards Malaysia Pavilion, which is in Jubilee area. The pavilion takes visitors along the woodland path through 3D graphical experience groves of digitally enhanced columns and exhibits that explore Malaysia's commitment health. You can also enjoy Malaysian's flavor at the cafe or a performance in the outdoor amphitheater. At every spot, you will notice Talabat delivery robots which used to deliver food to customers at Expo 2020. Talabat transport food from Talabat's kitchen to customers. They have password-secure large compartment to enable several deliveries in a single trip. Users are able to unlock them either by using QR codes or order IDs. This undoubtedly is one of the most breathtaking attractions at the Expo 2020. Water, earth and fire form this stunning water feature. It intended to help people relax and feel a touch of nature. Step inside the 14-meter high walls of the spectacular Expo 2020 water features and be mesmerized by the 360-degree immersive water, light and fire show. Must visit the World Souk, which features a range of crafts products ethically sourced from around the world. Now we are heading towards Al Wasl Plaza, which is the heart and identity of Expo 2020 Dubai and the soul of the Legacy District 2020. It serves as a central public space conceived to convene conversation, unite visitors and provide orientation around a single spatial experience. If you like my vlog, please like and share the video in your family and friends. See you in my next vlog. Till then, Allah Hafiz.